statement and why we prepare this. Okay, so analysis of financial statement, after that comparative statement. So first of all, what is the definition of comparative statement? You can see here, comparative statement is a tool for analysis of financial statement, which is prepared to show the change in value of each item in absolute and percentage form, and it is a horizontal analysis. Okay, so this is what we already discussed, that comparative statement is part of tools for analysis of financial statement, and we prepare comparative financial statement to show the change in value. Okay, we compare the value of 1 year with another year, and then we find out the differences between these two, and we present this difference in absolute form and percentage form. Means we also show it in amount and in percentage. Okay, so this is the definition of comparative statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is objective. So you can see here, to simplify data, actually all the analysis of financial statement tools are same in this manner, or you can say the objective of all the analysis are same. So to simplify data and make it understandable. Okay, so it present the data in a form which is very simple and it is easily understandable. Okay, anyone can understand that. So that's why comparative financial statement simplifies data. Next is help in comparison with own, other firm, and industry data. Actually, the comparison of, as I told you in previous class, the comparison not done only with our own data. Okay, it is also compared with some other person, or sorry, some other company, or with industry standards. Okay, sometimes the other companies earning in the same manner that we are earning, but industry data is different. Okay, whole of the industry is earning at a different rate than us. Okay, so it helps us in comparison with own, other firm, and industry data. Next is it indicates trend. I told you that what is trend. Trend means flow of income, or flow of, you can say, expenses. Okay, so direction, in which direction it is going. If it is going upward, okay, if it is going downward, so it indicates trend. If our sale, let's say sale is increasing every year by 20,000 or by 20%, then this is increasing trend. Same in the downward flow, it can be decreased every year, like 10,000 or 20,000 or 20%. So it indicates trend. The fourth is helps in forecasting. Actually, when we know the trend of any business, that how it is increasing or decreasing, and with how much percentage or with how much amount it is increasing or decreasing, then we can decide that in future it will be like this or that. Okay, like in every year, if there is an increase of 20,000, let's say in first year we have earned 1 lakh, in second year we have earned 1,20,000, in third year we have earned 1,60,000. So in fourth year, how much will be our earning? Can you tell me?
Could you repeat it again?
Okay. In first year, we are earning 1 lakh. In second year, we are earning 1,20,000. In third year, we are earning 1,40,000. Okay, so what will be our earning in fourth year?
1,60,000.
1,60,000. You can easily forecast or estimate the future uh, sale. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is what trend indicates. Okay, so on the basis of trend, on the basis of increase or decrease of past year, we can decide that how much of our sale will be in future or expenses will be in the future. Okay, so this is forecasting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is provide information for planning. Actually, we need information for decision making. Yes, for any plan to do anything, we need some information, and analysis of financial statement provide us information. So this is the objective of every tool of financial statement, like ratio analysis, cash flow statement, or you can say fund flow statement, comparative statement, every tool. Okay, so these are the objectives. These objectives can be used in each of the tool. There may be some of the changes, but it is almost same in every tool. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is our comparative statement of learning objective. Yes. Definition. Okay. So now how we prepare the comparative statement. You can see the format here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first column is particular. The second is note number. The third is current year amount. Fourth is previous year amount. And fifth is absolute change. And sixth is percentage change. Now, what are these? So the first column is for particular, that generally when we prepare financial statement, it is the name of the item, heading or subheading we write in the first column. Okay. Name of headings and subheadings, or item name. So this is our first column. For this, you need to remember the format. Now, the second, it is note number. You know what is notes to account?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whenever we prepare financial statement, there are some of the items which need some calculation. We need some adding or subtraction. So for that, we use notes to account. We write all the items, different item names which come under single item. We write it in the notes to account. We calculate total, and then we write it in the financial statement, like in profit and loss and the balance sheet. So note number. Third, the third is current year amount. Now, financial statement is generally prepared with 2 years data. Okay, if we have only 1 year data, then we can prepare with 1 year data, but generally it is prepared with 2 years data, the current year and previous year. So amount of current year will be written first, and then you will write the previous year amount. Now, after writing all these, your balance sheet or statement of profit and loss is complete. After completing this format, you will prepare the fifth column, that is absolute change. So you need to remember this, that first of all, you have to complete these four. Means you have to prepare the format of financial statement, the statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. After preparing the format, calculating profit, calculating total, you will calculate absolute change. So first of all, we need to complete our balance sheet or statement of profit and loss. So absolute change. What is absolute change? It is difference between current year minus previous year. Okay. Difference between current year and previous year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the next is percentage change. Can you tell me uh, how percentage change is calculated? Let's say there is amount of 1 lakh here, not 1 lakh. It is, let's say, 80,000. Okay. And it becomes 1 lakh 12,000. This is your previous year and this is your current year. Can you tell me the percentage change?
Sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. Or you don't know. Okay. Can you tell me absolute change?
Yes, sir. So it is 32,000.
It is
32,000.
32,000. Okay. So we calculate our percentage change on the basis of this
Okay.
32,000. So it will be
40.
40%. Okay. So
Okay,
base
sir.
year, your previous year is your base year. And on the basis of previous year amount, you calculate the percentage. So for this, the formula will be percentage change equals to current year amount minus previous year amount divided by previous year. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Into 100. Now this upper side, you can see current year amount minus previous amount. Previous year amount. This is the formula of absolute change. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see here I have written the formula for percentage change, absolute change in 200 divided by previous year amount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is your formula that you will use in preparation of comparative financial statement. Now, we will understand the what's happening. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay, so this is your question. Please read this question. 1 minute. I'm just.
You didn't present the question.
Okay, so have you read the question?
So you didn't present the question.
Okay, you are not able to see the question.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it's my mistake actually. Actually, there is some network error showing here, so that's why I have to check it. Okay, so now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So in the textbook format, previous year amount is given first and then current year amount is given. So should we do it like that or should current year amount come first?
Am I audible, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Actually, the network connection is showing us unstable. That's why it's happening. Actually, it may disconnect one more time because it is again showing like this. Okay, so if there is anything, my voice is not audible, then please tell me so that I will know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you were saying that in your textbook there is previous year given first and current year later. Yes.
Yes, sir.
No problem. It can be given in any form. Previous year can be put first and current year can be put first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So they can give you like any format, and you can also prepare like this. Okay, you can also put the previous year first, and you can also put the current year first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so generally what we do is we prepare format like this: current year first, previous year later, so that it will be easy to understand that we have to deduct the second from first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is our format. You can see the question or not.
No, sir.
Okay, again disconnected. Okay, so this is your question here. Equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, share capital, reserve and surplus, non-current liabilities. Okay, so please read the question first. I'm preparing the format. Okay, so done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understand every item given in the balance sheet, or do you have any doubt?
No, sir, I understand.
Okay, so this is our format. And this is our question. So first of all, comparative balance sheet. And solution, comparative balance sheet as on the date is 31st March 2020. The current year date you will write. Okay, 31st March 2020. Particular note number of current year amount, previous year amount, absolute change, and percentage change. Okay. So first item is equity and liabilities. And under equity and liabilities, the first is shareholders fund. Then share capital, 3,26,000 and 2,44,000. So 3,26,000 and 2,44,000. After that, reserve and surplus. The second item is non-current liabilities, no long-term borrowing. Non-current liabilities and long-term borrowing. The third is current liabilities. Actually, from 2 days, it's raining again and again. So that's why some network issues. Trade receivables and trade payables, trade payables here. So our liability side is complete. Now the second, assets. The first is non-current assets. The format is a little bit changed here. So we will write according to new format. We will not write fixed assets. We will write property, plant and equipment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So simply property, plant and equipment is given. And there is non-current investment. Non-current. Under property, plant and equipment, again, there is property, plant and equipment and then intangible. Okay. But there is no classification like this is given. So we will write only property, plant and equipment.
Okay, sir.
The second is non-current investment. Current assets. In current assets, the first is trade receivable. And the second is cash and cash equivalent. Okay, now we will write the amount here. Reserve and surplus 1 lakh, 1 lakh. There is no change. After that, 6,96,000 and 4,38,000. Trade payables 2,98,000 and 78,000. After that, 5,68,000 and 4,30,000. $6,000, 4,000. 646, 376. And 2,50,000. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now the total. Actually, total is also given here. Because there is no change, so we will write the same total. In some of the question, you will be given some additional information. We will discuss about those question also. But before that, we are doing some basic question. So here it is 14 lakh 20,000 and 8 lakh 60,000. Okay. So this is our format of financial statement. Either you are preparing balance sheet or statement of profit and loss. You have to do it first. Then we will move to the change column, absolute change or percentage change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after preparation of this statement, we have to calculate the difference between these two. So 2,44,000, 3,26,000. Here it will be 56, 76, 82,000. 82,000. After that, there is no difference in here. It will be 2,58,000. And here it will be 2,20,000. You have to calculate the difference between total also. So 14,20,000, 8 lakh. So it is 5,60,000. Again, here it will be 1,38,000. It will be 2,000. And there may be sometime there will be negative change also. 2,70,000. And here 1,50,000. So the total is 5,60,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what we have done here, we have just deducted the current year amount, previous year amount from current year. So we get this amount. Now, percentage change. So what is the formula for percentage change? Absolute change divided by previous year amount. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So calculator is allowed in your examination.
No, sir.
Okay. So 0.34, or sorry, not 0.34. Actually, we cannot write in point here. We have to write it in percentage. So 34%. Okay. There is no change here. And 2,58,000 divided by 4,38,000. So it is 58.90%. And there is 2,20,000 divided by 78,000. It is 282.05%. Now, 5,60,000 divided by 8,60,000. So it is 65.12%. After this, 1,38,000 divided by 4,30,000, it will be 32.09%. 2,000 divided by 4,000, it is 50%. And 2,70,000 divided by 3,76,000, it is 71.81%. And 1,50,000 divided by 50,000, it is 300%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will be same like previous total, 65.12%. So this is your solution of comparative financial statement. Now, do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
You want to copy this?
Sir, I copied on parallelly.
Okay, so good. Now, there is this second portion you can see here. It is similar portion. There is no change in the concept here. Equity share capital, preferential capital. Actually, share capital is written together. Okay, so you will combine these two.
Okay, sir.
You will not write them separately. So as per the format, these two are combined. So equity share capital and preference share capital will not be written. It is only written share capital. After that, reserve and surplus, long-term borrowings, long-term provision, trade payables, short-term provisions, and fixed assets, non-current investment, trade receivable, and cash equivalent. Okay. So actually, there is a notes to account given in this portion. Okay, let me read this. Long-term borrowing includes bank loan and 8% debenture. Okay, and cash and bank balance is given separately. Bank balance is 1,90,000 and cash in hand is 10,000. So this is notes to account. You are required to comment upon the change in absolute figure from one period to another. Okay. So this is similar portion. There is no change in the information. Let me check some other portion here. Okay. Comparative statement of profit and losses. Next. Actually, The format is same. There is no change in that. Okay. In this comparative statement, I'm sharing you this question. Can you calculate the percentage? Okay. So this is the question. Question number 8, you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you prepare the format and calculate the percentage?
Okay, sir.
Actually, prepare question number 9. The tax rate is also given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Done.
No, sir.
Okay. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So tell me the answer. Revenue from operation.
So only the percentage.
Yes, no, absolute change and percentage change.
Okay, sir. Revenue from operation absolute change is 10 lakhs, and the percentage is 50%.
Okay, and other income.
Other income absolute change is minus 40,000,
Okay,
and the percentage is minus 10%.
minus 10%. Okay, total income.
Total income is 33 lakh 60,000.
Total in 33
Total
lakh
income,
is total. It is total of 2013. Yes,
yes, sir.
I'm just asking about absolute change and
Absolute change.
percentage.